I think business has an incredible opportunity to impact the world, because I think that businesses can look at what it is that they're creating in terms of capital, and look beyond just monetary capital to social and environmental capital.
Being a triple bottom line business means that we are very mindful of the impact that our actions make across the board in terms of people, planet, and profit. Eco projects allow us to take a step back and take a look at what's going on in terms of our actions and interactions with everyone and everything.
The project where I felt like I made a difference in someone's life was at the Richmond VA. It was a spinal cord injury center, and we worked with the actual patients, the Paralyzed Veterans of America, to really work with them to see what they needed in their new space and how we could make their way of living better.
Eco is awesome. Learning how to recycle in the office, properly. I take that home to my kids. We recycle at home. We use reusable water bottles. We reuse toilet paper rolls to create Christmas decorations. Learning at work, it translates naturally to, everything that I take home to my kids.
To work at AE Works is fulfilling. It's cheesy, but it's, you know that no matter what you're working on, whether it be a project or something internally, that it's going to a greater good, a greater purpose. Whether it be the community, the environment, a client, it's going to, it's using business for good.
I think that the Construction project is a really great example of, what we do here with our social projects. Beyond having an opportunity to give back to our community through donating to the food bank, it was just a really great experience working with my teammates on this, getting to know them kind of outside the office. Really inspired by everyone here's generosity and willingness to put others first.
Our social committees create the opportunity for people to be relevant. When people are participating in activities, our fun, fit, and forward activities, they're actually doing very important work, because when they're working together, they're building their relevance with their peers and within the community and creating social capital.
The work that we do outside of the office, both social and eco work, allows us to do things, accomplish great things, but we don't have technical roles, we don't have positions, we don't have managers. In essence, we're just a single team trying to accomplish great things.
AE Works exists to create a world where everyone is relevant.